Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own clan on the Blockman GO game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blockman GO game on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can start enjoying various different games. Now, if you wish to create your own clan, just tap on the messages icon at the bottom, which will take you into the chat page by default. From here, click on clan at the top section and then click on the plus icon at the bottom. This will then take you into the clan menu. You can now choose your clan avatar and upload one from your gallery, and you may also choose your clan name. Then create some tags for your clan by tapping on the add button. Finally, enter your description for your clan, and once you are done, you can tap on the save button, and now you will be allowed to invite your friends. In order to join your clan, you may search for your friend and invite them, and after your clan has been created, you will be able to create tasks, create a chat room, and conduct various other activities. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own clan on the Blockman GO game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.